So in this video, we are looking at the NSO paper for class 2 from the year 2014. We have already solved the first 16 questions of this paper in part 1, the link of which is given in the video description box below. For the rest of the paper, let's solve it together in this video. Next question, study the given flowchart carefully. This is a flowchart. In which group P, Q, R or S fruit of kiwi can be placed? So P, Q, R, S are here. Go through the flowchart and choose the right answer for kiwi. Okay, so let's first visualize how kiwi looks. So kiwi first of all is a fruit. So we will enter the flowchart. This is oval, so we will go to the right hand side and it has many seeds. So it's a fruit which is oval and has many seeds, so it falls under option D, S. Next question. Which of the given actions show the correct way of taking care of your pets? Here 4 pictures are given. In 1 he's feeding, 2 he's hitting the pet with a stone, 3 the pet is being comforted, and in 4 the pet's tail is being pulled. So choose your right answer. Well, this is an easy one but an important one. The right actions are what is given in image 1 and 3. Hence option D is the right answer. Remember, throwing stones at poor animals or troubling them by pulling their tail is a wrong thing. So stop your friends if they are doing it. Next question. Shweta's mother washed some clothes and hung them out to dry. A strong wind blew away the clothes. Find out their names by filling in the missing letters and select the correct set of alphabets from these options here. So fill this up. These are names of different types of clothing. Well, if you have got the blanks right, you will know that option C is the right answer. So let me bring up the letters. It's skirt, number 2 is vest, 3 is kurta, 4 is shirt and 5 is sari. All the missing blocks match the letters that are given here in C. Next question. In which of the following activities the bones and muscles are being used the least? Look at the pictures for the activities and choose where they are used the least. So walking, your legs are moving, bathing, your hands are moving, and D, exercise, definitely it's good for muscles. So option C, reading, is where your muscles are being used the least. Next question. Our sense of dash and dash tells us that soya sauce is dark and salty. So choose from the options to fill in your blanks. Well, let's look at this together. So soya sauce is dark in color is told by our eyes. When we see from our eyes, we can say that it's dark. And we know it is salty by tasting it with our tongue. So that means the right answer is our sense of sight and taste tells us that soya is dark and salty. That is option C. Next question. Amongst the given animals, which does not help us in carrying our load? Given are the options here. Well, is it bull, elephant, camel or pig? Well, bull helps to pull the pullock cart, elephant also carries load and so does camel. It is the pig which does not carry any load, hence option C is the right answer. Next question. Maya's teacher asked her to fill up the blanks in sentences which are given in column 1. The words which Maya filled in are given in column 2. So Maya has actually matched here already. Now Maya filled up some blanks with incorrect words. So select the sentences which are incorrectly filled up. Hope you've understood it. Now choose the right answer. So here we are becoming teachers and checking Maya's answers. So first one, Maya says, my eyes help me to breathe. No, eyes are for seeing. How about the next one? My dash beats like a drum. My stomach. This can be right. When you're hungry, your stomach beats like a drum. It growls. Next is the food I eat goes to my dash. My stomach. Correct. And third is my brain pumps blood to all parts of body. No, brain is the thinker, just gives instructions. So option A, 1 and 4 are incorrect for Maya. Next question. A multi-storied building where many families live in different housing units is called what? A mall, apartment, cottage or villa. Let's see if you can get this. Well, the answer for this is option B, apartment, because this is a multi-storied building and each house here is called an apartment. Next question. Read the given statements made by 4 children and select the correct option regarding these. So Minnie says, my father's brother is my cousin. Rohini says, my mother's sister is my aunt. Latika says, my father's brother's children are my cousins. Garima says, my mother's father is my nephew. Try to draw this, picturize it, and then choose which of the option statements are correct. Well, if you need more time, you can pause. Now let's go by each statement and get the right ones. So Minnie says that my father's brother is my cousin. No, this is my uncle. So this was Minnie's statement. So Minnie is wrong. What does Rohini says? My mother's sister is my aunt. Well, correct. Her mother's sister is her aunt. What does Latika says? My father's brother. So this is my father's brother's children. So they are my cousins. Well, Latika, you are right. How about Garima? She says my mother's father. So this is my mother's father is my nephew. This relationship is of grandparents. So he's a grandfather. So Garima is also wrong. So out of the given statements, option C, that Minnie and Garima are incorrect, is the right statement. Next question. Refer to the given box here to find out the occupation of Hari and Jagan. Hari is a dash, he sells, and vegetables are shown here. Jagan is a dash, he mends broken, and a sink is shown here. So choose the right profession of Hari and Jagan. Well, Hari is a greengrocer or vegetable vendor because he's selling vegetables. And Jagan, who's fixing a broken sink, is a plumber. So the professions are given in option B correctly. Next question. What happens when the moon is completely in Earth's shadow? The options are given here. We see a new moon, we see a full round moon, we see a crescent shaped moon, or none of these. Try to choose the right answer. Well, when a moon is completely in Earth's shadow, it's something like this, that the Earth is in between the moon and the sun. And this situation is called the lunar eclipse, when the moon is completely hidden. Hence, the option is none of these because we don't see the moon at all. Next question. Which of these activities we should do to avoid from getting hurt? Again, an important one. I hope you get this right. Well, the right answer is option A, because picking up broken glasses can prevent accidents or from us getting hurt. But touching a hot substance, running on slippery floor and playing with fire are dangerous. So do not do these things. Now we head to our achiever section. Let's see the first question here. Which of these waterways is most suitable for? The first is cross-continental import and export, and second is traveling both on surface of water and underwater. So can you tell which is the right option here? Time starts now. You see that what one wants, a cross-continental import and export, is possible by a cargo ship, which is A. And the second one is traveling both on surface of water and underwater is via submarine, that is your option D. So the right answer is option B, where 1 is to A and 2 is to D. Next in achiever section is study the given flowchart and select the option which can fill empty spaces D, E and F. So recollect the components of food and choose the right answer. Well, here even if you don't know all the options and a few, you can get this right. Well, out of these, my answer is B, because rice is an energy giving food, egg helps you to build your body, and nuts are something that helps you to build your immunity and fights the bad guys. So option B, according to me, is the right answer. Let's go to the next question. Study the given family tree carefully and answer how many nephews does X have. And they have given that a square is a male and circle is a female. The options are here. Try to get the right answer. Okay, well, who would be my nephew? Well, this is me, and it can be a boy or girl, by the ways, and my brother, or could be my sister as well, their kids. So this is my brother's son and my brother's daughter. Out of their kids, the male, that is who is the son, would be my nephew. So this is my nephew, the male child, and the daughter would be my niece. So according to this, X has 3 kids. Well, X has one brother and a sister, and this brother with his wife has a child who's a boy. So Mr. X has 1 nephew. So my answer is option C, 1. Next question. Names of some professions are hidden in the word grid. Option A, find how many names are hidden, and option B, find how many of them require skills for the work and not high education. Time starts now. You can pause the video if you need more time and then check your answers. Well, the professions that I found were these: tailor, farmer, barber and plumber. Tailor is the one who stitches, farmer is the one who grows crops, barber is the one who cuts your hair, and plumber is the one who fixes your taps. Now all of these are skill based, so option C is the right answer, where 4 professions are found and all of them require skills and not high education. Remember, these math questions are the most favorite in Olympiads. So study the given map of a town and select the incorrect option regarding it. Incorrect. Remember that which option is not correct according to this map. Here a direction is given. Try to solve this yourself. Well, let's see if you've solved it right. So first thing to start this is when a direction is given, just plot all the directions. So this side is north, the right to north is east, opposite to east is west, and opposite to north is south. Now let's solve it. Shopping mall is at south to the school. This is the school. The south is this side. The shopping mall is here. So no, shopping mall is not to the south. Let's check if others are correct. Sports complex is east to cyber hub. This is the cyber hub. East is this side. So sports complex is correctly placed. School is at south to cyber hub. Again, this is cyber hub. This is the south. School is correctly placed. Riya's house is at north to shopping mall. This is the shopping mall. This is the north direction. And this is Riya's house. So D is also right. So only A is the incorrect option. I hope you've got most of your answers right. And if not, you've understood how to approach them. So with this we come to the end of our question paper. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and we'll keep coming up with more such interesting questions for your competitive exams practice. Till we meet again, take care.